Good morning, people. Today is the 14th of July, and I'm just going to share a project with you that I'm busy doing. I'm part of a member, but I think we've got very exciting things coming on this. So I just need to quickly do my setup on the screen and share my screen. Come on. There we go. Now, for those people, please know that people that's overseas stuff, please bear in mind that my English is my second language, so you please just excuse me when I've got some wording wrong and stuff. I'm actually more of a technical person in the network marketing. I love to do my crypto projects and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go on. I'm currently sharing my screen. So yes, I'm part of a team called Aquila. And guys will see that what we are doing in Team Aquila is amazing. We're bringing a community together that does work as a team. So I just need to do a quick disclaimer. Now, people, please, I always tell the people, pay Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Now, this disclaimer is here, and what you will find that I do not read all the stuff on every slide. I highlighted the main stuff. This is why I'm doing the slides in order for you guys to see what we are doing and where we're going. But most important on the disclaimer is the basic portions. The result obtained by Grace Community is not guaranteed. This is not an investment opportunity. We are not financial advisors in both Team Aquila nor in Grace Community. The income generated can vary from person to person, and I'll explain it to you just now. And also bear in mind that Grace Community is currently in pre-launch, so it might happen that some of this information that I do have can change a little bit here and there, but we've been running quite a while now, so yeah. Okay. Now, what is Team Aquila? Team Aquila is a leadership-driven affiliate community within Grace Community. So basically what we're saying is that you're going to work through Team Aquila to Grace Community. Now, there's many other teams that is also working to Grace Community. If you think that Grace Community has already got 240,000 people in the community, and we are just one team, but you guys will see why this is so unique opportunity that we've got via Team Aquila to do this. And inside what we offer, besides all the training and stuff that is mostly related to in Grace Community, we've also got a mentorship program. We train people, and most importantly, we've got a community that is like-minded driven. And that is very important. People, you will see that there's no referral link on this project. It's by personal invitation only that you can become part of this group. Okay. Then also in Team Aquila, besides the Grace Community official Zooms that there is, we've also got some official Zooms in Aquila. Every Thursday night, we've got Zoom calls running from 7 o'clock South African time, GMT +2. And the most important is we've got the leadership, the official Zoom calls. Then we also do have a training Zoom call, and we've got support. People, this app is also not available just for everybody to just download. You can only do it by invitation only, but it's just excellent. Once you see this Zoom call, you can see where I'm going to. Okay, as I said already, we're working in collaboration with Grace Community, and this is what we do. So eventually our target is to get into Grace Community. Now there's 3 streams of income that you will see in Grace Community. The first one is Grace Essentials. They've just launched now already, although they're still in beta. They've just launched now. In Grace Community, you also got your own wallet and a crypto wallet system. So that means Team Aquila has got nothing to do with the finances. All the finances is already in Grace Community. Now, just to come back on this Grace Essentials, this is where you will be shop online via Grace Community platform. The same is currently running in Amazon, all those projects, Timo, but this is making it unique because Grace Community is negotiating a discount price for you guys. And also, when you've got the downlines, you actually earn commission without you even knowing the people below you. It goes down 20 levels deep. I'll explain this now. But then the debit card is also soon going to be launched when they go live. And this is where you will be able to transfer your crypto funds over to USDT. The most important at the moment, which I'm going to concentrate on, is the AMB ambassador. We call it the ambassador program. And this is where we're actually getting a stable income in order for this crisis where you're going to get additional income. So I'll be talking a lot about the ambassador program now. Okay, let's go. So Grace Community does work in a 2x2 matrix on the ambassador program. This is basically the fees that you're going to pay on each level that you is. But do not worry, let me show you. So, and this is the reason. You can register directly in Grace Community, but in order to be part of the ambassador program, you need to have people. Now, some people tells me that it's easy to get 16 or 32 people below them, but the problem is those 32 people also needs to have people below them. And this is where the problem comes. And this is where it's been solved by Team Aquila. Everybody registers in the Aquila app, and from Aquila app, you will go down into, you will be registered in Grace Community. This way, as I said before, we're doing a community program. So in order to get involved, we're going to register the person that invited you. You're going to help 2 other people also to communicate to the Team Aquila. And every person is doing the same. We don't ask for 32 people. We don't ask for 16 people. We can start with 2 people. And people, this is so easy. You always got family members or people that you know that is suffering. And this is where it comes in, where we can help those people and you can help those people. I always say, those brother or sister that always lends money from you, we rather teach them to fish instead of giving them a fish. And this is what we're doing in this matrix of Team Aquila to Grace Community. And also, let me just show you guys. This is what we're working to. You're going to pay 120 on each level. There's only 5 levels. There's actually 7 levels, but we're only discussing the first 5 levels at this stage. The level 6 and 7 is working on a different income plan. But basically what it boils down to, you're going to pay $120 each month. You're going to earn $200. And as you go on, you're going to pay every month. If you go to AMB2 level, you're going to pay the next month 120 plus 200. That means it's 320. But people, this is not coming out of your pocket because you're going to earn $600. And the Grace Community is in such a way structured that you cannot just go for those people that tries to do a quick buck, pay all these monthly fees and then expect $6,300. It's not going to work like that because you need people below you. And this is where it comes. And also the grace does not allow you to pay externally from your level A and B, 3, 4, and 5. So you need to make money inside the system, and from your internal wallet, you're going to pay funds out to these levels. All right. So this is where the difference comes between Grace Community or between Aquila and other teams that's doing the same. If you're going to look, this is what your genealogy looks like in Grace Community. And this is what your genealogy looks like in Team Aquila. You will be able to see a mirror image of what is happening in your Grace account. But not only that, in Team Aquila, you will be able to see your uplines. You can see here in Grace Community, you cannot see who's the person on top, so you cannot communicate with them. Here you can see who is the people below you, on top of you. You can see the people below you, not in your lineage only. If you slide more to the left and the right, you will see you can look totally left and totally right on the people that is even on different lineages. For example, I'm underneath Yunin, which I can't see in Grace, but here I can see it. And the person is on the same level. If I slide a bit more to the right, I can see. The transparency is so much greater when you get into Team Aquila. And what we currently happen, we know we've got human intervention, that when people do registration, and there comes faults, but Team Aquila has got an excellent support system, and where we can help and get these problems right and sort it out so that our matrix is always running what we're saying it is in Grace Community. So as I showed you guys, you will see exactly what in your Grace Community is what in Team Aquila is. Okay. Now, you will see before I said the only income you're going to get is $6,000. But this is actually $11,000 minus some expenses. So those figures are made. There's some extra income that we are getting. And that is, I'll explain it to you now, where we're getting the extra income. So as I said also in the disclaimer, not one person is going to get exactly the same amount of money. All right, but what we're trying to do in Team Aquila, because the group is building for you in the system, when you reach level 5, you're going to have an average of $9,700. That $9,700, because we are asking, remember what I said, we're teaching the people how to fish, we're helping the people. We're going to ask you to put $10, 10 people, to sponsor 10 people each month to get into Team Aquila, because we do have people that does not have money, and I'll explain it to you now. But still, you're going to have running home with a minimum of $8,300. So how do I come to that? If you go and look, all right, I said we help 10 people to get started. This is what we call the pay it forward system. Remember, on this 10 people that is earning here, this was the people for the funders that funded these accounts, but now they're making money and they need to grow themselves. So what we're doing is, in order to help 10 people, you're not going to transfer the funds to those people in the external wallets. You're going to do it internally. Those people is going to register and you're going to activate them inside the system. All right. So, and this is where we're going to start making a difference to the people. But people, I always also say, you need to get money to make money. So please, do not just run and go and register as a PIF, what we call a pay it forward. You want to get money now. because these people is on a waiting list that is currently happening. All right. So how do we, these four simple steps that we're doing. The 4 steps is you got to sign up. You need to contact one of the people in the leaders in Team Aquila. Those people who's going to sign you up. They're going to activate your account in Team Aquila. But this activation is immediately. You will also have a referral link from Grace Community. So it's important for the people that is got funding, that's got money now. How much money do you need? It's a minimum of $129. I always tell the people to actually get $138 in total because we've got fees. Now, this is a monthly fee. Your $9 is a monthly fee that you need to pay in Grace Community. The e-commerce, this is where I've been talking with the money comes differently, the income. You pay every month your $20 in here for the e-commerce. What's happening, up and down, you're going to receive commissions from the people that is below you on that. And then there's also a portion of this $20 that Grace Community keeps aside for you. It's like a savings wallet. When you want to start buying online, you will be purchasing stuff online from this $20. So this is like a little piggy bank that you created. And then there's the ambassador program that you also need to pay. On each level, I showed you before. Just go back if you need to in order to register. So it's a minimum of $129 that you pay USDT. There's different networks that you can use. The most important one is the BEP20 that we always use. That goes to the default. So what do you need? You must be over 18 years. You need a valid email address. People, and we try the best. What I can advise you guys to use a Gmail account. All right. And then you need to be committed to learning. We need to haven't got lots of rules, but the most important rule is all right. Sorry, I was a bit interrupted now by a call. Let me go on. So, as we said, do not break the community trust. That is all part of our rules inside here. Okay. Most importantly, what I can advise people for the current people, instead of paying every month your $9, rather go and pay the $80 yearly fee. Then you know you're safe. Sometimes we go on holidays and stuff where we might just forget that date where we need to pay our $9. You don't want to get sidelined and move to it, and then you're going to miss on the income of the money that's coming from below. So I would rather say, first of all, join the $80. You are saving money in any case, because if you take that calculation times 12, and here you pay a yearly fee of only $80, it just makes sense to be pennies wise and pound foolish. This is the end of my presentation. So what I'm quickly going to do, I'm going to stop the presentation. I quickly just want to show you the live account of Team Aquila. So just bear with me. All right. So this is what Grace Community, the dashboard, looks like. You're going to have all these different things. And there's your wallet. There's your crypto wallet running. And then there's your training that we're getting. Most important is what we're talking about is the subscription fees. Pay your $9, and this is your ambassador levels that opens up each time for you. As I explained before, as you can see, I've paid my $80 for my yearly fee, as we've been discussed it. Now let's go to the Team Aquila app. This is what the Team Aquila app looks like. So in the meantime, I'm just going to click back. I'm going to go to my genealogy. Now, this does take a bit some time to run. While I'm busy there, I'll show you. So this is what Team Aquila looks like. So you register on Team Aquila. You will see the transparency that we've got. We've got the community in this. This is where people can actually chat inside Team Aquila. People is chatting here. This is the matrix that we've got. And there you can actually see. Immediately it goes to your project. You have the option of only seeing the full matrix of everybody, or you can check on my matrix. And there's also some extra nice things that's happening here. Is the compensation plan. Now, I just want for the existing members, please remember, if you paid on your monthly subscription, it's only there. But if you paid your yearly subscription, you need to click on that as well. Why are we doing it? If you go back to your matrix, you guys will see that there's little dots. The color of the dots. Now, this one is specifically done to show if a person has not paid his monthly fee, then this means this person is he's gonna lose some money, because if this person at the bottom pays his $100 in and this person is not active, the money is gonna fly by him to the next level up. All right, so it's important. But people, we're running this as a business. We're showing the compensation plan for you on all the levels that you're getting. And most importantly as well, you can see there's a date stamp when the people registered in Team Aquila, and this is the PIFs. You will see they're on a different list because we need people to get sponsored into this list, and this is why we've got this list at the bottom for the pay it forward people. This is why, again, I'm saying, if you got your $138, that's your $129 plus your fees, come and join us here. It just makes sense to get faster in, because we always got always 3 times the amount of people that does not have money. So, but the disadvantage is you're going to stay. You're not going to come in as fast as these people is earning already funds. All right. And that is where I'm going to stop my presentation. I wish you luck. I wish you happiness, and God bless you in everything that we do. Cheers.